Para kay Arthur and Jen, mga anak, kapag kayo'y naging mag-asawa na, ito ay ang kahalintulad nito ay bumubuo kayo ng isang tahanan. Mahalagang may matibay na pundasyon na tinatayuan ang inyong tahanan na walang iba kundi ang ating Panginoon. Mahalaga ang role ng Diyos sa buhay ninyo bilang mag-asawa.
Heartbeat in the quiet, spotlight in an empty room. A song of silence.
He's like my best friend. He's literally my best friend. Kasi marami akong group of friends. Big group of circle of friends. Pero wala ka talaga yung parang pinaka-main yung BFF or best friend. So nung naging kami, parang siya talaga yung naging best friend.
I see it now.
Plastikan.
Start of my heart, a river washing over me when you came and changed everything.
May upo kasi ako sa akin. Magkakahawaan na dito
Philip. PJ. Tapos, Luge. Then, Derek. Si Tad. Then, Ando. Tapos,
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary. That didn't realize this could happen. Oh, the grace would be enough.
Hi,
future kids!
This is your mom and your dad. And today is October 26, 2024. And you don't exist yet. So today is our wedding day.
sana someday, pag malaki na kayo, mapanood nyo to. Hopefully soon.
No! Someday. Okay. So just keep in mind that we love you no matter what. And we're so proud of you.
Okay.
We love you.
We love you. Take care. Bye.
Arthur Subayalong Jr. Arthur, tinatanong kita, tinatanggap mo ba ang babaeng ito na si Jeneline Malinaw Rodriguez upang maging asawa, upang makasama sa hirap at ginhawa, sa sakit at kalusugan, at tanging kay Jen lamang ikaw sasama habang kayong dalaway nabubuhay? Tinatanggap mo ba?
Opo, Pastor.
Hi babe, I just wanted to remind you na wala nang atlasan to. This is the day. We are finally a few hours away from saying our I do's, and I just wanted to thank you for being a huge part of my life. I can't wait to marry you and spend my forever with you. See you in a bit. I love you.
There's one special guest who can't be here today. But I'm sure he's in our hearts, especially in your heart. And I wanted to share this letter that I wrote to your dad for saying my vows. Hi, Tito. Si Jen po ito, your almost daughter-in-law. It's been more than 6 years since the day you left us. Sana masaya po kayo dyan kasi wala na kayong pain na nararamdaman. Alam ko madami dito ngayon wini-wish na sana kasama ka namin at isa na dun. At isa na dun dito yung taong mahal ko.
Today and every day.
Bago ko basahin, ang pinagsusulat ko po dito, nais lang kitang purihin na napakaganda mo ngayon.
If I ever get the nerve
Sa wakas, magiging asawa na kita.
Jen, anak, tinatanong kita, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito na si MacArthur Subayalong Jr. upang maging asawa, upang makasama sa hirap at ginhawa, sa sakit at kalusugan, at tanging kay Arthur lamang ikaw sasama habang kayong dalaway nabubuhay? Tinatanggap mo ba?
Opo, Pastor.
Oh, we're white if you wear out the words I love.
Hi, babe. Ayun. So, we're finally here. So, ayan. Ito na yung start. It's only the beginning. Kasi, ayun nga, mahaba pa tong journey na to. And I'm very excited to walk this journey with you. Ayun lang.
Marry me today and every day.
Pinapangako ko din, napipilitin at sa aking abot ng mga kaya, maging malumanay at mahina ang aking boses tuwing tayo mag-uusap para di mo isipin ako'y nagagalit. Higit sa lahat, ako'y nangangako na maging tapat, bukas ang isip, sasamahan ka, sabay natin nabutin natin mga pangarap. Ngayon, simula ng habang buhay, magpakailanman natin, pinipili kong ilaan ang mga araw na ito at lahat ng darating na bukas kasama ka. I love you, Jen.
Kaniya.
I promise to sing to you when all the music dies.
Sigad ang foundation, communication at tunay na pag-ibig. Kapag na-perfect niyo yun, magiging matagumpay ang inyong buhay mag-asawa.
Marry me today and every day. Marry.
So today, babe, I vow to cook your favorite dish. I vow to choose you in every universe, no matter the variant. I vow to cherish you in any timeline or reality. And if given another lifetime, I would still choose the 0.001% chance to be with you again. I will love you more than 3,000, whatever it takes. I love you.